Hello ma'am, this is Sai Pravalika from Srinivasa Ramanujan Institute of Technology studying in Computer Science Engineering F section. My CA2 topic is about the problem grade into r power n into r bar equals to n plus 3 into r power n from chapter name Vector Differentiation, subject Differential Equations and Vector Calculus. Topic grade into r power n into r bar equals to n plus 3 into r power n. Introduction. Divergence of vector field. The divergence of a vector field is a scalar field. The divergence is generally denoted by div. The divergence of a vector field can be calculated by taking the scalar product of the vector operator applied to the vector field, that is grade into f of x comma y. Divergence. Let v of x comma y comma z equals to v1i plus v2j plus v3k be defined and differentiable at each point x comma y comma z in certain region of space, that is v defines a differentiable vector field. The divergence of v written as grad into v or dv is defined by grad into v equals to dou by dou x of I plus dou by dou y of j plus dou by dou z of k into v1i plus v2j plus v3k, that is written as dou v1 by dou x plus dou v2 by dou y plus dou v3 by dou z. Note the analogy with a into b equals to a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3. Also note that grade into v is not equals to v into grade. Example for the divergence of the vector. Show that grade into r power n into r bar equals to n plus 3 into r power n. Solution. Given r power n into r bar equals to r power n into xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar, where mod r bar equals to root over x square plus y square plus z square. When we apply squaring on both sides, we get r square equals to x square plus y square plus z square. Partial differentiation with respect to the x. Then we get dou r by dou x equals to x by r. Partial differentiation with respect to y. We get dou r by dou y equals to y by r. Partial differentiation with respect to z. We get dou r by dou z equals to z by r. Grade into r power n into r bar equals to x into r power n dou r by dou x plus y into r power n dou r by dou y plus z into r power n dou r by dou z. Then we get r power n plus n into r power n minus 1 dou r by dou x into x plus r power n plus n into r power n minus 1 dou r by dou y into y plus r power n plus n into r power n minus 1 dou r by dou z into z. Then we get 3 into r power n plus n into r power n minus 1 of dou r by dou x into x plus dou r by dou y into y plus dou r by dou z into z. Grade into r power n r bar equals to 3 into r power n plus n into r power n minus 1 of x by r into x plus y by r into y plus z by r into z. Then it equals to 3 into r power n plus n into r power n minus 1 by r into x square plus y square plus z square. Then dou r by dou x equals to x by r dash, dou r by dou y equals to y by r dash, dou r by dou z equals to z by r. That equals to 3 into r power n plus n into r power n minus 1 by r into r square. That equals to 3 into r power n plus n into r power n minus 1 into r. Grade into r power n into r dash equals to 3 into r power n plus n into r power n by r into r. That equals to 3 into r power n plus n into r power n. grad into r power n into r bar equals to n plus 3 into r power n. Hence proved. Thank you.